name is Esther, and we just had Inspired ADUs design an ADU for my parents. I love our new ADU. I can't even say how much I love it. I've done several construction projects in the past. The ADU was a lot more enjoyable and successful than my experiences in the past. Lamia was great to work with for the interior design. She was very receptive to any of the ideas and visions that I had. And Bundle helped with that because then once the interior designer and I together chose finishes and chose fixtures and different things, then Bundle was able to just input those things and then source the best vendor for it, not just in price, but also in the time frame in which it would be delivered. Everin was a delight to work with. He was a genius. A lot of the things that I adore about the ADU are actually his ideas, like adding the different design elements of the arches to mirror what the exterior looks like, to take that element through. It also is a small space, but it doesn't look like it at all from the way that he designed it. He was able to really think about how to maximize the use of the space that we had to fulfill the specific needs and requirements and wants that I wanted, but to do it in a way that was design-wise elegant, made sense, and just beautiful and long-lasting. One thing that I very much appreciate about the front porch is that I had specifically requested that this ADU be ADA compliant for any future needs for my parents. So Everin and Carrie came up with the idea of having a ramp that came up on the front porch but off to the side, so it wasn't the main design element, but that it was always there and it wasn't something that we would have to add later to accommodate that. The dining area is one of my favorite places. It has beautiful light that comes in from the window, and having the arch design, I feel really sets it apart as an elegant space. The entryway in the kitchen and just the common space in general is so full of light. The generous use of the skylights and the placement of the windows make this feel like a very much larger space than it actually is, if you just look at the square footage. The kitchen was also designed to be ADA compliant. The French doors being right there also lets in a lot of light in addition to the skylight. And it's wonderful to sit here and see the greenery right outside the door. It really makes you feel like the outside is inside, and it's a beautiful space just to relax. So the bathroom also was designed to be ADA and to maximize. We have the pocket door so it doesn't swing into the bathroom. There's no sill on the floor, so it is completely level. Everin and Carrie were able to give us 2 bedrooms in this space, which is fantastic. I wanted more than just 1 bedroom in case we needed to have maybe a caretaker or someone that needs to live with them full time to have additional space. The bedrooms, because of the vaulted ceilings and the way that they placed just the windows and the placement of the furniture, makes it feel a lot larger. My parents did stay in here and they were concerned initially that it would feel too small. They're used to a much larger space, but for them, they said it was perfectly comfortable. They didn't feel cramped or hindered at all. They loved waking up every morning with the French doors, seeing the greenery outside on the back patio, being able to look out the windows and just see lots of plant and sunshine. It was their favorite part of the whole ADU.